Hi and welcome to my channel, it's Nashi, and in today's video I'll be showing you a tropical flowers and the leaves nail art. But first, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications when I upload a new video. Now let's start. I start by applying a base coat on my nails. Now I will paint my pinky, index and thumb fingernails orange, but you can use any other color. Then I will paint the other two nails in beige, but you already know that my accent nails are the ring and middle finger, don't ask me why. Now it's time to create the tropical leaves, and I will start with this tropical leaf that, if it has a name, I don't know the name, but that's okay, So it is really easy, probably the easiest tropical leaf to draw. I just create a long line and then I had curved lines on the sides, and I used two colors, dark green and the green, to create this tropical leaf. As you can see, it is really easy to do, and you can use any color you want for this tropical leaves. Now I'm doing the second tropical leaf, and once again I did a long line and then added some leaves on the top and sides. I used the green as the base color for this leaf and the dark green just to outline one side of the leaves. It is easy to do this tropical leaf as well, but I think the first one is a little bit easier. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The next step is to create those teeny tiny flowers, and I did the flowers using two colors, pink and purple. 3 petals are pink and 2 petals are purple, and I used a nail art brush to create the flowers because they are really small, but you can use a toothpick as well. I did 2 flowers on this nail art. The second flower I just decided to zoom in so you could see better how I created the petals. I just made some triangular shape with round corners, and they are really easy to do. I was going to leave the design this way, just the leaves and the flowers, but I thought that the design needed something more, so I added some orange dots, and I think it looked much better with the dots. Oh, and I think I said so many times think in this video. How many times did I say that? Did you count? Let me know in the comment section. After the design is complete and dried, I applied a top coat to seal the design. This is today's design for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I see you in my next video.